however you say that. Correct me if I'm wrong. Looks like it has a hydraulic leak. We're gonna check it out. See where she's leaking. It's pretty dry back here. Cylinders are dry. It's only got 100 hours. Let's go underneath. There's a wet spot. We got us a leak somewhere. And I'm gonna guarantee it's gonna be from rubbing, because I can see right there. See that? Some rub marks on it. Maybe those just dirt. Oh, we know it's getting wet right here. It's got to be leaking from right there. Almost looks like that one's leaking. Yeah, it's not coming from up. So it's only gonna be, it's gotta be one of these hoses right here. Figure out which one's going. Yep, let me use two hands and look into this a little deeper. And there it is. We found it. It's looking right there. It's been rubbing, but that's where the leak's coming from. So now what we're gonna do is follow it up. And see where it goes in the back. Looks like it goes through right there. Yep. So let me do this. When I figure out where they go, I'll let you guys know. So it looks like we're gonna pop open this panel. Looks like it must be going up to the joystick controls. So we're gonna pop this panel open and see what's going on behind here. It's gonna be these Allen head bolts right here. And then one back there. So let me go ahead and bolt this off real quick. Right now we can see I looped it back, so it's that one that's looped right there in the back, and it's going up. Goes up into there. So we're gonna go ahead and pull these screws out, get this box off, and look in there. Should be pretty easy. So we could have saved some time if I would have just known on these that. Okay, so we said it was this hose that's leaking. And that hose is right there. Bam. So that's one side of the hose. We're going to go ahead and take that off right here. Cap this off so we're not leaking everywhere. Drop it down. Then we're going to figure out where it goes in the back. And to get in here, there's literally one Allen screw here and one back there. Cover pops off. So let me get this off, cap it, and then we'll follow it back. So it's off right there. We've got it going down. It's going to be a 19. And then we'll get under here and we'll get the hose out of the original routing. Which one was it? The leaker. What was this one? There it is. There's that hose, then we follow it back. And keep on going. all the way back through here. So, looks like this one. Pull this through. Alright, now we go up through one more, then drop it back, and then it goes back, and it goes, oh look, it goes right there. So, let's get this pulled all the way through. I'm gonna reach up here, we're gonna grab the hose. Let's see, which one is it? Okay, so it actually goes back over there to the pump, right there on the solenoid right there. So it's gonna be the middle one of the three that I can see from here. So when I go up top, I'll at least know it's the middle one. All right, let me climb out from here and get up there. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, so all these bolts would have to come out here, there, to get this whole cover off to get in there. But if you're me and you don't like taking things apart unless you have to, you can fish your wrench in there, kind of like I got going right here, get it on there and get that thing loose. And once it's loose enough, and this is just for the lazy guys who don't feel like taking all this stuff apart when you know exactly what you're trying to do. It's about 13 bolts that I don't want to have to put back in. So, just hope I picked the right one to put my wrench on. I'll put my hand in there and just do it by hand. Yep, I don't know if you can see, but I got it off. Let's go back over and see if that was the right one. So we're right here. Could just pull, and look at that, we did it. Got the right one. Cool. Now we're gonna set this in this little truck here. You have two options here. Option A is finding the spot that's bad in this hose, which we figured to be right here. There's your bad spot where it's rubbed all the way through. Option A, two fittings that bolt together. Option B, a whole new hose. We're gonna go through my fittings. We're gonna see what I have available on me right now. If it happens to be I have to put a union here, that's what I have to do. If not, I'll see if I have this too. Let me dig to myself. All right, so this is gonna be the repair. I guess you can see how it's gonna go. Put the line here after we cut there. Bolt these two together, reinstall the line, we're good to go. So let's get her done. And they're just both cut, so we're not crimped yet, but we got the pieces in. Bam, bam, crimp them down, reinstall the line. On our way to put all our panels back on. So we bust out the crimper. We're gonna get this going right now. go all the way up, come back down, and you fill the lip right there. That's where you want your hose to sit. The reason I bring it up like that, and then I try to turn it, it gets rid of that little extra lip on them. Alright, anyways, we're not gonna do this one. That's more for show. It's really don't matter right here. There you have it. Nice crimps. Now, bolt these two together, rerun our line. Let's go. Alright, so we got the line ran through here. I got my end sticking up right there. If you can see, it's literally right there. I figured this will be the easiest way. Now I'm gonna do some magic right here and see if I can reach my hand in there and start that on. I don't know if you can see it really from right there. Anyways, it's right here. The hoses are in my way. That right there. So let's see if I can do this. If it gets too difficult, I'll have to put the phone down, but it might be doable. Okay. Yep, it's almost there. Come on. Pretty close. Alright, there we go. I got it started. So I found the easy way is pop the tail light out and you can reach your hand right in there and get right to it. So let me finish tightening this up. We'll run the front one, we'll hook everything back up, and we'll test for leaks. And here we go. We're all the way back up top now. Let's just start this back up. It's probably easier with two hands. Give me 1 second. Here we got it started. Let's tighten it down. Get this tight. And this should be good. I'm gonna put all the panels back together, start it up, I'm gonna drive it forward on clean dirt, and then we'll go from there. And there it is. Well, it's kind of wiped down the best I could under here. We're gonna move forward, hit some functions. We know it's all with the joysticks functions, so it's either gonna be up, down, tilt, in, out, you know, all that stuff. So we'll hit some functions, we'll check back. If no drips right here at our connection, and no drips up here, we'll be all right. Let's see if we got any fresh drips. And nope, not a drop. We're looking good. So, hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.